In another narration, one day, a man goes to visit Imam al-Sadiq alayhi salam. He says, I saw Abu Basir enter. Abu Basir was one of the good companions of Imam al-Sadiq alayhi salam. He says, when Abu Basir was entering, he was breathing very heavily, taking very deep breaths. When he sat down, the Imam alayhi salam asked him, Ya Aba Muhammad, his title was Abu Muhammad. Ya Aba Muhammad, why do I see you breathing so heavily? What's wrong? He took a deep sigh, Abu Basir, and he said, لقد كبر عمري لقد كبر سني ودق عظمي واقترب أجلي. My age has become old. My bones have become fragile. And death awaits me. I know that soon I'm getting old. Death will take me. And I don't know what will happen to me on the day of judgment. I don't know. I'm not certain. I have concerns. Where will I stand on the day of judgment? This is why I'm breathing so heavily. And Imam al-Sadiq alayhi salam looks at him. He tells him, you are saying this, Ya Aba Basir? He says, yes. Why should I not say this? I'm really concerned. And this is really hurting me. It's paining me. Then the Imam alayhi salam tells him, oh Aba Basir, let me tell you something. There are angels that belong to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Their role is to drop the sins from the back of our true followers. Those who truly follow the path of Ahlul Bayt, their job is to simply take those sins and shave them off and drop them, just like on a cold day in the autumn when you see the fierce winds are blowing at the trees and bringing the tree leaves down. You've seen it here, right? In November and December, sometimes when this storm comes and you have this high wind, have you seen how the leaves fall? The Imam says this is how the angels cause the sins of our true followers to fall. Then he recited this verse in the Holy Quran. Those who carry the throne of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how they do istighfar for those who believe. Oh Aba Basir, I swear by Allah, those believe are our true followers who believe in the Wilayah. This is our connection. Another hadith by Imam al-Sadiq alayhi salam, he states on the day of judgment, the closest ones to the arsh of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the throne of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, are our true followers. For Allah truly loves them. But then Imam alayhi salam says, but you have to help us out with piety and with actions. And you have to be hardworking. That's how you can earn this amazing status to be directly connected with the arsh of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.